Clarkson's a great place to come if you like the outdoors for certain, because we're so close to the Adirondacks. And there's a lot of different opportunities to, even if you haven't done a lot of stuff outside, to go hiking, rock climbing.
We have big pockets of forest all over campus. To walk 10 minutes down a road on campus and then reach a lake, that's pretty cool.
I've gone to Montreal a few times. It's really fun just to go get away for a weekend. It's really pretty. It's not very far. It's like an hour-and-a-half drive, so it's totally doable.
The idea that I could drive 90 minutes and be in a new country, that's so cool.
Just the small community of Clarkson makes a lot of people really kind of proud to be a part of Clarkson.